In the desolate beauty of the desert, every action is a testament to survival.
Oh my goodness. In the heart of the jungle, every rustle, every chirp tells a story.
I think that what we're going to learn from the natural world is that everything has a purpose.
In the pursuit of understanding, scientists delve into the microscopic world, revealing the intricate dance of life, unseen.
As the sun rises over the savanna, a new day begins, and the circle of life continues.
I feel that it is very important to make things with your hands.
We can actually do something that really makes a major difference.
As the sun rises over ancient forests, a hidden world awakens.
The process of cell division, in essence, is how cells reproduce. This new model offers unprecedented detail. We can now observe the intricate dance of microorganisms as they adapt to a new environment. It just goes to show how truly remarkable nature is. It is truly incredible how many things there are to discover.
In the vast expanse of the wild, where the mountains touch the sky, a timeless dance unfolds. The Amazon rainforest is a vast expanse of biodiversity, a complex ecosystem where every element plays a crucial role. In the heart of vast, untamed lands lies a world shaped by ancient forces.
It makes me realize that it is truly possible to live in harmony with nature in a very urban setting.